Communities and employers across Los Angeles are still recovering from the impacts of COVID-19, as well as the devastating wildfires that have disrupted local economies and livelihoods. We know that not just in Los Angeles, but throughout the state, workers of color and immigrants are disproportionately impacted by crises such as these. At the same time, the region is preparing to host several global mega events, including the 2026 FIFA World Cup and the 2028 Olympic and Paralympic Games. With intentional workforce strategies, these global events can connect workers, especially those from historically excluded communities, to good jobs.
The Los Angeles County Department of Economic Opportunity is meeting this moment by launching the High Road Training Partnership Fund, a commitment to a transformative worker and employer-led approach to workforce and economic development. This investment represents a modernization of workforce strategies, emphasizing high road practices that prioritize equitable access to good jobs, skill building, and long-term economic growth. A $17.8 million grant program, the HRTP Fund aims to serve over 1,800 workers through customized employer and worker-informed training programs designed for communities most impacted by COVID-19 and economic and racial inequities. We're also partnering with UCLA Labor Center to provide a community of practice with our grantees so they can receive support with implementing their programs, advancing systems change, and have a space where they can learn from each other.
This approach to workforce development is fundamentally about systems change. HRTPs respond to economic shifts by addressing barriers and inequities that have persisted for generations. In doing so, HRTPs shift workplace culture, they improve employer hiring practices and norms, and they help ensure that economic growth benefits all workers, especially those most affected by changes in the labor market. This approach also ensures that employers can thrive in our regional economy, particularly those who are investing in their workforce and driving innovation in their industries.
The HRTP project empowers us with the resources and tools needed to develop a strong, skilled workforce. Our apprentices receive training opportunities that they normally wouldn't have. While they gain a stable job with a living wage, we gain reliable workers who are adaptable and resilient.
We're making sure that the training that's being done is being done in a way that can not only employ folks now, but is going to keep folks employed. When you don't have that alignment, you can train people as much as you want, but if they don't have jobs to go to after their training, or if they can't consistently upgrade their training to make sure that they remain employed, or if they're just doing the same thing over and over and there is no room for upskilling and they can't then make more money in their job, then it's not a good partnership. And so I think alignment really makes sure that folks remain employed and that the workforce is always ready to go whenever it's needed.
I've been in the JTC approximately 4 years now. It's changed my life for the better. The JTCs gave me opportunities to learn, more ways than one. You're showing up to learn, and they're definitely here to teach you.
The HRTP model makes sense to me because it is providing a very needed service for both employers and for job seekers. To be able to have it here in LA County, really central to most all of LA County, is extremely valuable because it gives them the skill sets that they need to create a career.
This is the future of workforce development. This investment lays the foundation for a resilient economy, one that responds to economic shifts, strengthens communities, and creates long-term opportunities. It isn't easy work, it takes time and experimentation, but it ensures that workers, communities, employers, and the public can all thrive.
With the world's eyes on Los Angeles, we're not waiting for change, we're building it. By modernizing our workforce system through the High Road Training Partnerships approach and aligning it with our job centers and centers of excellence, we're making sure this moment creates a lasting opportunity for our residents and our businesses.